Anyway, so that's the update about him, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Happy Monday! May nakita, naglilinis ako dito, nagpakain ko yung aso o pusa. Ayun, may nakikita akong parang light ba sa sasakyan, sobrang bright doon sa driveway namin. Nakita ko doon sa back kasi ang taas ng light. Ang ko, hala, grabe naman yung light na yan. Si Tami andito. Kasi, pupunta sana ako doon. Diba gusto kong pumunta doon sa bahay para mag-asikaso. Asikaso, pero kaso, sabi pa ni Tami, ako lang punta dyan. Kasi gusto kong makauwi sa bahay, makita yung pusa. Kito si Tami, no? I don't know kung anong plano. Hindi ko talaga alam. May snow, konti lang yung snow, guys. Very, very light. Pumunta yung nagpa-plow ng yung hina-hire namin. Ayaw ko na siyang i-hire kasi the last time yung hina-hire ko siya na ako lang dito. At saka yung snow naman is very powdery. Sobrang konti lang yon. Ang nangyayari, charge niya ako ng $100. So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit ayaw ko nang i-hire siya ulit. So, pumunta siya dito, parang nagigilty ata na ang laki ng hiningi niya sa akin. So, nagpunta siya dito. Itong snow ngayon is lang din, very light lang din. Pinaplow niya. Pero hindi niya for free kasi hindi naman namin siya tinawagan. Pero, hindi yan yung mga dahilan kung bakit mag-stick ka sa isang company or isang tao na parang nag-cheat na sa'yo once. Kapag, hugo tayo, kapag nag-cheat na sa'yo once, huwag mo nang tanggapin ulit. Katulad nito, huwag mo nang i-hire ulit. Alam nyo guys, itong turkey na binili ni Tami, chicken, buffalo, maanghang siya guys, pero alam nyo, kinain nila. Hindi siya sobrang anghang. Buffalo nga, diba? Maanghang siya konti. Kakainin nila. Sabi ko, patay gutom man yung mga 4 o'clock in the morning, they woke me up. Mommy! Mommy! Si Hobbs, meow, meow, meow. Bot pa sa bot, anak. Mommy, mommy. Remember ako, nag-gaming. Live, ganon. Ginagamit ko yung filming room ko para sa gaming, diba? Or editing a video. Nag-stop akong live sa gaming. Ngayon, the gaming is too much for me. Like, I cannot do gaming, guys. Nadala ko tong vacuum. Kasi tawag nito, magla-live ka pa, and then you try to upload sa channel mo, and mag-edit. Plus, meron pa akong daily vlog. Nagdi-daily vlog ako. And then, pagkatapos ng daily vlog, meron naman akong mukbang. Yung mukbang ko nga, napabayaan ko na. So, I thought to myself, what's a wonderful world. Hindi na tayo mag-gaming. So, yung gaming channel ko, approved na siya sa YouTube. Ang hindi ko lang alam kung paano siya i-separate sa account ko sa Google. So, hindi ko lang siya talaga alam kung paano i-separate yung account na yon kasi gusto kong ibigay sa kapatid ko. I-rearrange natin kasi sobrang dilim dito. So, itong green screen, nilagay ko to siya dito at saka ito para kapag nag-gaming ako, yung background ma-change, walang background, ganon, mag-gaming. And then, magagamit ko naman itong green screen kung gusto kong mag-film and then yung background is maganda, ganon, alam nyo na. So, ibalik ko to. Ito siya. Kunin ko to. Ibalik dito kasi dito ya originally. So, dito natin ilagay para kita natin labas. Tanggalin natin yung green screen. And itong bin bag is dito na lang sa gitna. Kasi magagamit ko yung bin bag sa baba ba. Yung bin bag na yan, magagamit ko yung sa baba. Hello guys. So, start tayo guys. Makikinig lang tayo ng... Okay guys, start tayo! Pwede pa lang ako mag-exercise na ganito. Pantay habsa, matamakante ka. Let's guys. Oh my God, a minute yung ko, katsawan. Oh! the one. Uy, yung pilit mo tao ni. Oh, God. Pumilit, pumilit. Lit, pumilit. I still have to do my tax, guys. Yung tax ko is kailangan kong i-print yung mga receipt. I-hanapin ko yung mga resibo sa green credit card. Yan, magpiprint ako. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Pero, February pa tayo, guys. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Oo. Pati yung mic, hindi ko na magamit. Gusto kong gamitin ito ba sa pagla-live ka. So, okay guys, time-lapse tayo. Time. May pagkalukuluko din ako guys. Pasensya na talaga. Time-lapse. 1, 2, 3. Pew! Tika muna. Pew!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
Okay guys. Move na natin siya dito. Ano pa rin yung sa ilalim yung mga wire. Ganun pa rin. Pero at least andito na ako. And meron na tayong bintana. Yaon. Habsi boy. Kira na ba na? The dusty bug. Baba tayo guys. Kakain lang ako guys. Kasi nagutom. And tanggalin ko tong green screen para wala ng green dito. And yun. Shut the light off. Come here, Bug. Let's go downstairs. So, kain lang ako, guys. Tami, hindi pa tumawag. Oh my God. Kain lang ako. Nagutom si Akits. Kainin natin yung laing na binigay ng sa Asian store. Nagbigay kasi sila ng konting laing. Patikim ba? Patikim. Tikman natin kung okay ba yung laing nila. What? What is that? Kabayong budlat? What is this? Nakabayong buntis. So yun na, nakikinig lang ako ng praise and worship sa Amazon. I will see you guys. Kain ako 12-12 na. Ito yung laing guys, bigay. Ito siya. Ito yung niluto namin kahapon nilo. First time ko itong natikman yung laing. Matagal akong hindi nakakain ng laing. Ang lola ko nagluto ng laing noon. Ano to mga? Hindi ko yung kilala. Masarap siya, guys. Parang lechon ata. Ito, ano to? Taba ng baboy. Masarap siya. Anghang sili pa yun. Oh my God, kinain ko sili pala yun. Nakala ko gabi. Ginoo ko Lord, ang halang. Ang halang. Masarap siya, guys. Taba ng bubble. Sarap siya. Kain lang ako, guys. Hi, guys. Continue lang ako sa taas, guys. And, anyway, nakikinig pa rin ako ng music. Tapos na yung video naka-upload. Ilang video yung dito. And si Tami, hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya makadating dito. Hindi pa tumawag. So, iwan ko na lang si Batman. I love you. Hi, Mitch. I love you, Mitty. You annoying. You annoying. You annoying, baby. Are you annoying to mama? Are you annoying to mama, love? Hi, Mitty. Aluloy, aluloy. I love you. I love you, Mitty. Tush. I love you, Tush. I love you. I love you. We're waiting for Dada. Dada's coming. Dada's coming. We're gonna go see Dada. Are we gonna go Dada? Yung asawa ko is malapit na dito. So, eto, maba na talaga ka, guys. Hindi na mapigilan yung taba. Okay lang yan. Basta masaya ang buhay. Gano'n lang. Walang paghuhupay. Gano ba yan? Yung snow, nagmi-melt. Told you. Nagmi-melt siya. But anyway, Indegarotay is working. Lako, pumunta sa ano. Okay, nag-defrost din ako ng chicken kasi ayaw ni Tami ng steak. Nagda-diet na talaga yung asawa ko, guys. Alam niyo, sabi pa niya, kailangan ko nang mag-diet kasi parang nagustuhan niya yung parang nafe-feel niya nag-lose weight siya ng very kaunti lang naman, guys. So nafe-feel niya parang nagustuhan ata niya. So sabi niya i-continue niya and then para maging healthy, din siya, nag-start siyang naglagay ng patches para i-slow down yung smoking niya, ganon. So, naglagay siya, pero sabi ko sa kanya, you have to remember na meron kang patch na nilagay-lagay mo sa katawan mo para hindi ka ma-overdose sa nicotine. Kasi kapag may patch siya, din nag-i-smoke, din ma-overdose siya sa nicotine, delikado. I mean, overdose, anong tawag dun? Basta ganon, delikado siya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, one time, ginawa niya kasi gusto niya. And then sabi ko, okay, bahala ka talaga. Ikaw talaga, alam mo naman yung alam mo naman, hindi ka naman bobo. So, bahala ka talaga. Pinagamitan ko siya, pero alam daw niya. Pero, one time lang daw kaisa. Pero, I think hindi niya tinapos yung sigarilyo. Pero, yun yung ginawa niya, guys. Nagtatry siyang mag-diet. Tinatry talaga niya maging healthy. And tinatry niyang yung smoke is less. Kasi naglagay siya ng patch. So, sana gagawin talaga niya kasi, oh my God, kung yung smoker ka, masama siya kung mag-stop ka agad-agad and then yung pino-force mo yung sarili mo na stop. Masama din sa katawan yun kasi marami akong naririnig na horror story. So, masama daw yung mag-stop ka agad-agad ng pag-i-smoke ka. Basta, masama daw sa katawan mo yun. So, kaya alam din namin yan, alam din yan ni Tami. And hindi din niya kaya, yun. So, fingers crossed sa sa pagda-diet ng asawa ko and also yung smoking. Anyway, so yun lang siya. Hintayin lang natin, guys, nag-stop siya sa Burger King. Sabi ko, nagda-diet ka, hindi nagbo-Burger King. Sabi niya, she been craving, pero hindi burger, yung patty na hindi siya burger, hindi siya meat, vegetables na burger. So yun siya, naghanap siya doon, and then after that, he stopped at sa garbage collector namin kasi may bill kami. At iba naman yun si Tami kapag magbabayad ng utang sa garbage collector namin is siya, bayaran niya ng ilang buwan. Dito na yung ama nila, tignan nyo. Where is Dada? Indegarotay, ha? Don't jump on the stairs. Diyan ka lang. Your kids in there. I like this, and Indegarotay is working.
What?
Inday is working here, so I close this. It's turning here. Go. Don't do that. Don't let them in. No, because I want them to be crazy. Look at Roxy.
Get down right over there.
They miss you. Look.
I do. Oh, yes. I like the girl. Oh, yes, I like the girl. Oh, yeah, it's so pretty.
Did you see your son?
I see him.
Siding.
Oh, my God.
Misty too. She's running. Look at Misty.
Crazy. Hey, my man, where you running to?
I love you.
Love you too. He's trying to go.
No.
That's why he wasn't on the thing. Come here.
He go to the office.
I know where he goes. I also know why.
No, Bob. He's looking here. Legaruta is working. Let him be. Let her be. Natutulog lang yung mister ko. Nagpahinga lang siya, guys. And yellow yung light. Linis tayo ng mushroom. And magluto din ako ng pasta. And itong chicken, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. I don't like the chicken. I think it's freezer burn. Lutuin ko na yung mushroom, guys. Para maaga. It's 4 o'clock na, para maaga tayong matapos. Kasi gusto ko yung mamaya ba wala na akong isipin pa. Nag-alala si Tami kasi wala pa talaga akong green card. Hindi pa dumating, so yung nag-alala siya. Baka daw next month maging illegal daw ako dito kasi wala akong hinawakan. Usually you don't drink that. It's better to drink warm water. Ito yung pasta na gusto niya, guys. Itim daw. Ask natin ulit bago na maluto natin ito. Ito ba ito? Excuse me, Han. Is this the pasta? What kind of pasta you're talking about? Black box. Is it here? Where did you put it?
Big cabinet. Open up. The right side, I believe it's on the second shelf.
The right side? Paano to lutuin? This is very tiny. Yeah, but this is a kind of like long here, thin pasta. Can I cook in oil with garlic? You want oil, Han, with it? Okay. Well, olive oil is not bad, right? I'm gonna cook only very little for you to eat. Ayaw kong magpasta-pasta siya palagi. Pero binili niya yun. Ano daw kasi, hindi daw yun masama na pasta. Iwan ko may masama na pala na pasta. Hindi ko alam. Ito siya, guys. Dreamfields Healthy Carb Living. Spaghetti, la tinti. Ang nakakaganda nito talaga, kasi hindi siya mainit. Pwede mo lang siyang mahawikin. Lutuin ko yung chicken dito mamaya. Dinner ito ni Tami. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako kakain. Kasi kakain ako, I think, konti. Pero hindi talaga kakain kasi marami yung kinain ko sa lunch. Napasarap talaga ako kanina, guys, sa laing at saka yung niluto namin na sa Sunday, guys, may atinan pa pala ako birthday. birthday ng anak ng pamangkin ni Tami. But anyway, magluto lang tayo ng may oil siya guys. Olive oil is hindi siya masama sa katawan. Maganda siya pero hindi pa palagi. Speed up tayo guys, luto. Yan. Hindi ko kayo Here you go guys, the dinner. Pasta, chicken. There's a lot of garlic. You put everything back. My husband get mad at me.
Hun, you're sitting here eating. I'm talking to the camera.
Well, hon, I'm vlogging. You know, you can really mix this thing to the pasta. This one here. I cannot do nothing about my height.
So why is it embarrassing?
Because I just realized when me and Mira and Lo picture together, they're both the same height. When I look at myself, I feel like very dwarf.
So?
It's embarrassing.
That's ridiculous. You'd be like Rich. Rich says, at least I never have to worry about hitting my head.
You're asking about Tommy, about MRI. No MRI.
No MRI. The insurance company rejected. They don't want to pay for it. They said, no MRI. I could go pay for it myself.
Yeah, the insurance won't pay for it. So we don't know.
I guess they figured since the hospital thought it was necessary and the doctor thinks it's necessary, then it must not be necessary.
They're afraid. What do you think?
Afraid? They just don't want to pay the bill. Yeah, you pay for insurance.
Yeah.
And then they don't want to pay when they have to. That's how that works.
What kind of insurance? Crazy.
Crabby.
So you're asking Tommy how he feels now. He feels lousy, but he's still trying to do with dieting. He will try. And he still have the pain, but not crazy.
10 unit helps, guys.
10 unit.
Everybody should have one anyway.
Yeah, I showed that to you. 10 unit that he put helps him, but it's not getting rid of whatever he's feeling inside.
Well, because it's not going to get rid of that, but it can get rid of other pains.
And also, guys, about how about his kidney, if he's doing that stone, if he get out. I think
every morning I drink a glass of water with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in it and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with mother, and mix it up. With that, I put in 1 tablespoon of Knox gelatin, but that has nothing to do with the stones. That's for
cleansing?
Arthritis. No, that's
okay.
that helps with any arthritis things. And 1 tablespoon of magnesium powder, because I've been getting some leg cramps. So.
But he kept telling me.
Magnesium.
He kept
so
telling
mix it
me.
Up
Yeah.
And drink that every morning before I have coffee or anything else.
But he feels something that the kidney stone is running. I don't know.
Well, there's a bunch of them. I feel like one of them is moved.
It's moved. Okay. So that's why I kept telling him, drink, pee, drink, pee.
That mixture of lemon, apple cider vinegar, water is supposed to help make the kidney stones dissolve and get smaller.
Yeah, it's because it's acid.
Easier to pass.
It's acid, right? Because of
very
the
acidic.
yeah. So he feels it, but sometimes he said when he's going to pee or he feeling the pain that you can feel it. But everybody knows if you have kidney stone and then if you pee, it's this it, guys. That's the painful part. Anyway, so that's the update about him, guys. And you're still you're gonna look for the MRI.
Right.
Yeah. He need to do that.
Well, you need to find out where the pain is coming from. You can't just let it go on forever.
Yeah. So that's really it. And me, I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna look my filming room. I have things to do. Well, actually, I'm not gonna go there. I'll do it tomorrow. Anyway, we're going to end this vlog, guys. Oh no, I'm not gonna end this vlog yet. See you later. It's already 8:30. And we're going to end the vlog. Alam niyo kung ano yung na-notice ko today? Pumayat yung asawa ko. I mean, hindi man siya pumayat-payat, pero pumayat. Na-notice ko, niyakap ko, sabi ko, parang pumayat ka na ha. Sabi ko, ipagpatuloy mo lang yung iniinom mo umaga ha, kasi parang naano ko talaga. Na nakikita ko, kasi iba kasi noon yung talagang ganon. Pero nakikita ko na lumiit siya konti. Nanonood si Tami ng Tulman Taylor. Before we end the vlog, who's outside? It's my babies. They're outside. They're coming in. They're talking me, huh?
Misty TV.
She pipid. Pipid, mates. You
I
pip.
knew she had to, she was bouncing all over me.
She really, you know her. Look at her. She's happy coming in.
You feel better now?
Okay guys, before we end the vlog, ito, dinala ni Tami tong mga wine. I'm just going to arrange this tomorrow and clean that. It's not gonna fit here. And, you know what guys? He's buying more of this container. Crazy.
I'm crazy. I don't think I'm crazy.
Not buying na guys, because I have a crazy Tami moy doing something, oy.